Hi friends, I'm Phoenix. Saying the wrong tone in Chinese can lead to some funny misunderstandings. If you get the tone wrong, you might accidentally call your mom a horse. Or you might be misunderstood as saying you want to sleep when you actually want dumplings. Listen. 妈马我要睡觉我要水饺 See, tones are not just accents. They're the DNA of Chinese words. Without the right tone, your message gets totally lost. Today, I'll help you correct the tone code in just 3 minutes. Let's dive in. First, there are 4 tones in Chinese Pinyin. The first tone is a flat tone, which is at the highest pitch of your normal speaking voice. You hold it long and keep it stable. Listen. Ah, ah. Just like when a doctor asks you to open your mouth. Ah, ah. Now, let's listen to some words with the first tone. 妈妈周一休息医生今天搭飞机 Next, the second tone is a rising tone. It feels like you are shocked. 啊？啥？ It rises as if you are asking a question. What? What? Now, let's listen to some words with the second tone. 人民银行学习团结流行黎明 Now, let's move on to the third tone. This tone is a bit more complicated and requires more effort to master it. It's a falling rising tone. Picture this. You have a long day and feel extremely tired when you get home and want to take a short shower, but your family tells you there is no water supply at home. What would you say? Maybe you'd say, ah, no, or really? Yeah, that's the third tone in Chinese. Now, let's listen to some sentences with the third tone. 我很好，请你等等我，我想了解你，请你给我水果。Got it? Well, if you enjoy my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you for your support. Finally, the fourth tone is a quick dropping tone. It's like when you say yes or stop with a sharp downward punch. Actually, we use this tone in English for most commands. Now, let's listen to some words with the fourth tone. 运动会世界大战现代社会干坏事再见大厦 If you still find it difficult to remember these tones, here is a trick. You can move your head with the tone. This helps put it into muscle memory. For example, when you say 很好, nod your head and then raise it. When you say 谢谢, 再见, nod your head twice. And when you say 什么? Yeah, raise your head. See, the way you bob your head mimics the tones. This technique etches the tones into your mind. Your muscles will remember the tone even if your brain forgets. That's all for today's lesson. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Please follow me to learn more Chinese.